My sister's writing these lyrics to a kind of pop song, Hollywood breakup love story. Should we finish the song?
We were both too young and it showed. Search for life's answers in love notes, scribbled in glitter pen, and the ink bled through onto you. You were all ambition, no doubt, made a promise to stick it out, but you shot for the moon and shot me too. Oh, you got me good. You don't get another chance. This was a brief romance, me and you. You don't get another chance. This was a brief romance.